Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can change wallpaper to your iPhone 13, 13 Pro or Pro Max or any other version of Apple phone. Very basic, simple tutorial, guys. Go to setting option directly. In setting, you have directly this option, wallpaper. Hit this one. Okay, all this wallpaper you have here, add directly from here you want. But if you want more, hit add new wallpaper, hit this one. And you have more classical wallpaper from the old days. You have new, your picture, you can set as a wallpaper. You have planetary wallpaper, astronomy, more option you can see here. iPhone 14 wallpaper here you have. And the older version as well. So in this case, I'm gonna put this one. It's changed according to the day and night. I hit this one. You see how beautiful this wallpaper now is night. I hit add as a pair. So both, you see the dark. I lock the skin and unlock. So this will change according to the day and night. So this is the way you can change wallpaper to your old device, that is iPhone 13, 13 Plus, Pro and Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.